On this most pleasantly clear evening, conditions absolutely beautiful, perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well, no doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Nobody in this atmosphere can hide from the truth about how much this game matters. The scene overflows with colour and passion. And as you can see, we've... Immobile! He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. He's through here. Now it's Belotti. He's shifting through the gears here. Bernardeschi. Great ball. And the shot! And he's done it!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Yeah, I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
Italy make the perfect start. They are already ahead. Oh, it's come loose. Barella. It's played into space. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Gets his pass away. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Looking for the runner. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Now it's Belotti. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Bernardeschi was only too happy to help out in defence.
He's dealt with that very well, Peter. It's a real show of discipline.
Great challenge, time to perfection. And it's Belotti. Great ball if he can get there. And that's another good win of the ball. Now it's Immobile. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside.
Italy are clearly looking to use the space out in the flanks here.
With a view to what exactly, Jim?
Well, it can encourage the full-backs to get involved and increase their chances.
Whistle's gone, and the referee has given a penalty. And that really is the last thing they wanted to do.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
To increase the lead. Good save, really well read.
Once the save was made, the change to both mindsets could be hugely telling now.
Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. Chiesa. Bastoni. He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. Marco Verratti. And it's Acerbi. Di Lorenzo. And here's Immobile. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
So what can they make of this? Threads one in. He is through here. Goal kick. No, I stand corrected, it's a corner. There's the clearance. And now a sudden chance to counter. Forwards and with intent. He's got away. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking.
Well, that was well positioned and well pitched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
And the shot! It's a goal! 2 up now, and they are cruising. Just gorgeous, the most glorious, delicious of touches, followed up with an unerring finish. So that's 2 now without reply.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Could move up a gear here. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
And it's Immobile. Muscular approach does pay off here. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. So, is it really plausible to have a hit from here? Oh, it's come off the upright. Ah, he's given it away. Immobile. Chiesa. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Oh, he'd have done well to reach that. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Di Lorenzo. Bernardeschi. Good spot, he's seen the run. And here's the chance to counter. He's free, he has got space. Moved on forwards. Oh, Red, nice interception. Chiesa. That's been cut out, well played. And the first half is done. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
So we're just settling back into this second half.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B and C. Levelling the score is easier said than done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum to go again.
And the ball's a good one here. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Nice physical challenge. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Lobbed in behind. He could be in here. Oh, what a pass! Oh, well played. Could be danger here. Di Lorenzo. Oh, he's found support out wide.
Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended.
And there's his chance to lead the counter. DiMarco gets over and intercepts. Now it's Belotti. Oh, great ball! And it's played forward. Oh, a delicate chip through. Now it's Bernardeschi. Bernardeschi! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Still no way through. The defending here is resolute. DiMarco looking for options for movement. Shot a goal! They are rampant! And the lead is 3! It is surely done! Not a defender in sight. He had all the time in the world.
Yeah, it's mystifying that a player of his talent wasn't picked up sooner, and he picked them off instead.
"3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Shot could be on. This is gone, that's a foul. Outstanding save to keep that out. There's a sharp little ball here. Belotti. He's got the shot away! It's in! It is no contest. It is a landslide. The invitation was clear, and it was accepted with the utmost glee.
Yeah, it's simply tragic defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
Clinical, just clinical. What a game this is turning out to be for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Chance! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
Still trying to make a game of this. Had a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Into the arms of the goalkeeper.
The moans and groans are predictable. He felt compelled to try.
He's caught him there, it's a free kick. Bastoni. And they can counter here. DiMarco. And it's lofted through here. Oh, that's a key interception. Acerbi gets across to intercept that. Nicely intercepted. Defenders on the back foot. And he welcomes it in. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, extraordinary.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Bernardeschi. Opts for safety. Chiesa. Looking to break out here. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
He's on some now, the finish! He has done it!
Italy clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
Italy tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. No, that's been intercepted. He's going to be disappointed with that. It's run loose here. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Fiddles it through, calmly anticipates. Di Lorenzo. Bernardeschi. No, he's not getting his way this time. Di Lorenzo. And it's Verratti. Not too much more here than seeing out time, and time is very nearly seen out. Barella, and it's Immobile, out to the right. Good read, needed to be. Spread out to the left, chance to break. Pinches it off him. Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
And that was very necessary. So that's it. It is all over.